Hey, so in this video we're going to be removing these little cover trims, and this is a coupe model. Convertibles are going to be different. And then we're going to be removing this piece in the center. So we're going to start off the passenger side. We're using a T9 Torx. We're going to be removing this little cover, and you do need to bolt the seatbelt on the bottom of the seat. Okay, now we're using a Phillips. There's going to be a screw kind of hidden right there. Can't really get a good video of it. Use a magnet to pull it out. We're not really saving screws, so it just fell off. Just be really careful with these trims. They are very fragile. And just feed the belt through it. We're going to remove the little trim inside of it, and it's going to give us a little bit more room to pull the belt through. So when you remove this panel, you have to slide it forward. There's this clip in the back. It would be right there in the quarter panel, so you would have to slide it forward of the car. And that Phillips was right here from the inside of it. So it will be right there. Alright, now we're going to be removing the driver's side. Seatbelt cover trim. We're using a T9 Torx. There's 3 screws. It just comes off, it's pretty easy. Now you're going to need a Phillips. Slide it towards the front. Alright, so towards the window, I'll show you how to do it right now. These things are very fragile, the plastic is very brittle. And what's going on is you have 3 of these tabs. 1, 2, 3. There should be 3 of them, I think. And they get stuck right here. So the only way for them to come out is pull it up and slide it out. In our case, they broke apart. There's another little one. They are fragile. It's pretty much very difficult to save them. These usually will always break. Alright, now we're going to be removing this panel. So it's like a plastic screw. You could just unscrew it. And same thing for the other side. So there's 2 in the front. And so you have to remove these little hangers. It's T25 Torx. Okay, just make sure you lift it off over the screws. And this cover comes off. The center one is pretty easy. The side covers are very fragile and it's kind of impossible pulling them without breaking them. These clips always break off. So you would have one. Let me show you one more time. Alright, now we're going to be getting to the rear speakers behind the seat. These clips, basically, they're spin-off. You could use pliers and they just come apart. Alright, so once you remove the speaker cover, you could pull the carpet off and your speakers are right there. Right, so now there's 4 10mm screws. Sorry, 3, not 4. And it's your rear speakers. As you can see, these are done. And that's it. That's how you remove the rear speakers.